If you need to print a document in LibreOffice, you're in the right place. In this quick guide, I'll show you exactly how to print in LibreOffice step by step, so you can send your file to the correct printer with the right settings in just a few clicks. Whether you're printing a report, a worksheet, a letter, or any other document, this process is simple once you know where to look. And if this video helps, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe for more easy software tutorials just like this. Alright, let's jump right in. First, open LibreOffice on your computer. Once it launches, open the existing document you want to print. This could be a writer document, a spreadsheet, or any file you've already created and saved. After your document is open, look up at the top of the screen and click on File in the main menu. This is where most document actions are located in LibreOffice, including saving, exporting, and printing. After clicking File, choose Print from the drop-down menu. You can also use the keyboard shortcut if you prefer, but using the menu is the easiest way if you're following along for the first time. As soon as you click Print, the Print dialog box will open. This is where you will set up everything before the document is sent to your printer. Now, take a look at the printer selection area. If you have more than one printer available, make sure you select the correct one from the list. This is an important step, especially if you're working in an office, school, or home setup with multiple printers connected. Choosing the wrong printer can send your document to the wrong device, so double check this before moving on. Next, choose the number of copies you want to print. If you only need one copy, leave it at 1. If you need multiple copies, increase the number here. You can also review the other available print settings depending on your version of LibreOffice and your printer. These may include options like page range, orientation, scaling, duplex printing, or color settings. If you're not sure what to change, it's usually fine to keep the default settings for a basic print. Before you click the final print button, it's always a good idea to review your choices one last time. Make sure the right printer is selected, the copy count is correct, and the document looks ready to go. Once everything is set, click Print to send the document to the printer. After that, your document will be sent to the selected printer, and your print job should begin processing. Depending on your printer and the document size, it may take a few moments to start. If nothing happens right away, don't worry. Check the printer status, make sure it's powered on, and confirm it has paper and ink or toner available. And that's it. You've now learned how to print in LibreOffice using the File menu and the Print dialog. It only takes a few steps once you know where everything is located. If this tutorial helped you, please give it a like and subscribe for more simple LibreOffice and computer tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.